Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to check Brave browser version and update it manually. To check the version and update Brave browser, first open it and then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner. In the drop down menu, hover mouse over help and then click on about Brave. Now under About Brave you will find the version of the Brave browser, and in case any update is available for Brave browser, it will automatically download and install it for you. After that you will see a restart button. Just click on the restart button to restart your Brave browser, and from now onwards you can use it normally. I will recommend you need to check Brave browser update manually once in a 2 week at least.